you guys? It's your girl Pi DuVal, also known as Britney Spears. I am here today to give you my top 5 most effective arm workouts. This is what I do as a dancer to get these arms. I'm a professional dancer and have been for 17 years now, and I've been dancing since before I was born. My mother was a professional dancer. She was the captain of the ballet company at Radio City Music Hall in the 70s. Dancing runs in my blood, and I live, eat, sleep, breathe, dance, which sucks because I'm actually injured right now. But today I want to show you my most effective arm workouts, which, by the way, I'm going to let you know right now, are not easy because they're the most effective. Now, I see videos and people doing these arm workouts like here in the air, and they're just kind of like woo 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 woo. It just, when I see people going like this, I just think they look like they're stuck on a deserted island and we should probably send them some help. You know, I think the most effective way is when there's weight resistance. If you don't have weights at your house, you can use your body weight, and that's what I'm going to show you today. If you want to be a strong, effective, beautiful dancer, you can't have noodle arms. You're just going to look sloppy. It's not going to look good. Not everybody has the same body type. Not everybody's trying to go for the same look, you know, and not everyone's trying to look like Claudia Schiffer, you know, showing. But we can all try and look and feel our best. One other thing that I want to say is that when you're doing these kind of workouts and when you're trying to strength train or build your muscles, you have to keep your diet up with it as well. So don't be eating crappy food. Don't be eating junk food. You have to get that protein in there, and you have to drink lots of water. So be sure to take care of your body in that sense. Otherwise, this is all going to be for nothing. Lastly, I have to say this, I'm not a doctor, I'm not a physical therapist, I'm not a psychologist. If you hurt yourself doing this, don't sue me, but if you get great results, let me know, because I like to see that. And oh yeah, I'm not wearing the right outfit, so. Oh, there we go. Muscles, what's up? One more thing. Nice. Make sure you have your hair out of your face, a nice outfit that's not going to restrict you, and some water. Let's do this. Okay, number 5 is the wide arm push-up. And the way that I make this one the most effective is that I do it slow and controlled. You can also get this to work out other parts of your body like your core. Now, if you're a beginner or you need to start off with an easier way to do it, start on your knees, but do remember that you have to keep your plank. You can't be doing push-ups with your booty up, okay? That's something different. We want to keep a nice flat plank. Arms wide, plank, okay? Keeping your abs pulled in, you want to make sure that you keep that plank position the whole time. Look at the floor, don't look up. If you look up, you're stressing your spine in the back. If you look down, you're going to hit your head on the floor. You can also do on your toes. I have to do on one leg because I'm injured. Slow and up. 2, slow and up. Let's go ahead and do 8 together, shall we? Arms are wide. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, and down and up. Don't forget to breathe. And up. That's 2. Here we go. And up. That's 3, 4, and up. 4 more. We got it. 5 and up. 6 and up. 2 more. 7. Up. Last one. 8 and up. Yes. When you're done with those, I like to give a little bit of a stretch because now you've kind of got blood pumping through your muscles. You're a little bit more warm. You're probably sweating like I am. When you stretch across your body like this, make sure this shoulder stays dropped. So nice stretch on this side and a nice stretch on the other side. Don't forget to go behind your back like so. And other side as well. Just making sure that we're keeping the muscles nice and elongated and stretched out, because when you start to work out your muscles, they tighten up. And if you don't stretch them back out, you're gonna be all like Popeye walking around. Okay, number 4, most effective arm workout that works for me is the tricep push-up. Now, same kind of concept. Instead of having your arms wide, your arms are going to be coming in next to your body this way. So when you pull back, your elbows will stay tucked in like this. Your fingers are facing forward this way. Slow and controlled is the name of the game. If you go too fast, you kind of throw away the exercise. You can do this on your knees if you need to, or you can do it on your feet. Half on knees, half on on feet, whatever works for you. I recommend doing 8 of these a day. Literally, that's it to start with. You'll see a progression of your body changing. I'm not lying to you. Okay, so here we go. Elbows will be in. You want to keep that nice plank position. You don't want to have your booty up. Keep your booty down. You're going to be dropping it down like so. Head down and straight back up. So we're gonna do 8 of these together. Whether you're on your feet or on your knees, keeping your elbows tucked into your chest, tricep push-ups. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 1 and up, 2 and up, 3 and up, 4. I'm gonna go to my knees because my ankle is hurting me. Up, 6, up, 7, up, last one, 8, and up. Ow! Awesome. All right, number 3. We're gonna flip it over, you guys. Now we're sitting on the butte. Now these are some of my favorite ones, and I've been doing these since I was probably 13 years old. I call them reverse push-ups. Now generally you have both feet on the floor right here, but my ankle is hurt, so I'm gonna pretend, and I'm gonna be doing these one-footed. Essentially, you're doing dips. Your fingers are facing forward towards your toes, and your elbows are bending down and up. You are not using your pelvis to do this. Let's try 8 of these together. 5, 6, 7, 8. You drop 1, up, 2, up, 3, up, 4, up, 5, and 6, 7, last one, 8. Nice. So stretch it out a little bit, give them some loving. Okay, number 2. This one is a variation of those dips that we have, except now you're gonna be alternating your leg. So we're adding a little bit more weight with it. When your leg comes off the floor, it causes your body to shift a little bit, focusing on different muscles. So instead of having both feet flat, we're taking one foot off the floor just straight up. Now go ahead and try a few of those. Woo, it's gonna be weird at first. You're gonna feel, okay, that's how it works. You'll switch, you'll do the other leg, okay? You'll switch. Now instead of having the leg come straight up, I put the leg straight out. This one is weird. This one you're gonna be like, oh my God, what am I doing? But you'll see it's gonna work you out in ways that you've never worked out before. I can only do one leg with you, so I'm gonna do one leg twice. Let's do 8 with one leg up and 8 with one leg side. Here we go with one leg up. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, up, 2, up, 3, and 4. Here's 5. Don't forget to breathe. Last 2 and 1. Great. Now let's try with the leg out to the side. So same leg. Instead of taking it up, just drop it side, wherever you can hold it out to. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 1, up, 2, up, 3, up, 4. Keep going, you got it. Here's 6 and 7 and 8. Nice. I bet your arms are burning like a This is still number 2. We are switching legs. I'm not gonna switch legs because I can't put any weight on this foot, so I'm just gonna go ahead and do the same foot, but you guys switch legs at home. Okay, so here we go. Same thing, 8 with the leg up. 5, 6, 7, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. Here they come. 5, 6, 7, last one, 8. Nice. Go ahead and take a break. We have that one last leg out to the side. Here we go, 8 times. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 2, 3, and 4. Here's 5, 6, 7, 8. Yay! We're almost there, you guys. Last but not least, my number 1 most effective way to work your arms out is a dip plank, or a plank dip. Plank dip, that sounds kind of good. I'm hungry, I think. Normally when we do these dips, your legs are flexed like this. If you put your legs right underneath yourself, more weight is on your feet. If you put your legs out, more weight is on your arms. Now, what we're gonna do is we're gonna put the legs all the way out into what's called a plank. What you have to do with this one is you have to slide your feet a little forward, pick your booty up, and you're gonna do small little dips like this. What's gonna happen is you might hit your butt on the floor, which means you have to push up even higher with your hips. With that being said, smaller dips are gonna happen, and this is going to kill you. Here we go. We're gonna do 8 of them together. And I'm gonna do them on one foot because I'm still injured. So here we go. 5, 6, hips up. We go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, last one, 8. All right. And that, my folks, is my top 5 most effective ways to work your arms out, especially as a dancer. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my videos so that you don't miss any helpful tips that you might need as a dancer or an athlete. That is it, my friends. My name is Pi DuVal. This is The Dancer Life. Have a wonderful day.